There are numerous ways you can grow plant in your home. It can be in any form, but out of them all, the most creative and effective way is to hanging them. Just look at them, how beautiful they are, right? So various balcony hanging plants you can use for your balcony gardens, but not all of them looks and creates fresh and vibrant feel, right? But don't worry. In this video, I'll help you to select the perfect hanging plants for your garden, for your balcony garden. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Rajkumari from Secrets of Garden. In today's video, I'll share my balcony garden's hanging plants to you. So the first hanging plant we have is English ivy. So here we have the English ivy plant. So it is a common plant. You'll find them covering stones and brick walls on building exteriors, right? Okay, so you can duplicate the same effect in your home to create ivy wall. Okay, so the showy indoor plants are very best for creating a professional looking garden. Trust me, I mean this is damn gorgeous. English ivy is also best for rooms with lots of space since they grow very long, but it's up to you, but it's good looks for balcony only. I mean this looks really great. I'll show the under bigger one. Okay, so this is how it looks while hanging. You can see how beautiful it looks, right? So the second plant we have is purple heart. You can see, sorry for the noise, it's obvious if I'm in balcony then these sounds have to come. Okay, forget it. So this is called purple heart plant. Look the gorgeous color of this plant, just look at this. It is also known as Tradescantia pallida. Okay, Tradescantia pallida, very interesting name. So this is purple heart. It is a gorgeous, very with long trailing stems that resemble rambling vines. Okay, purple hearts are most often found, planted in pots or displayed in hanging baskets. They are, named as their foliage appears in their silverly purple, sorry, and violets whose it grows right of 1 to 1/2 feet tall and wide. It produces purple flowers during the summer months, and that looks damn gorgeous. So this is it. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous turtle vine. It calls turtle vine plants. So look at this. So just expand your balcony garden with the subtle beauty of turtle vine. Okay, so grow turtle vine as a hanging basket or in a container. Set up on shelf or to show its trailing habit, right? So it prefers bright light and moderately dry soil. Dry soil. Okay, so water thoroughly whenever the top, you know, few inches of soil starts to dry. Don't let the plant sit in excess water. Can lead to yellow leaves, root rot, and plant can dead also. So be careful about that. So here it calls pillow plant. Like you can sleep here. Anyway, just joking. It's so beautiful. It's like a pillow. You can see it's like a pillow. So it calls pillow plant. So I'll show you while hanging this. See how beautiful it looks when you hang them, right? So it is an attractive dropping lower light succulent. Okay, this baby plant looks fantastic in a hanging basket where it can show off its long strands of pink fat leaves. So that's called pillow plant, like it's so fat. And so these leaves are slightly shiny and slightly fuzzy. When it's higher light, the leaves will turn a bit pink, but don't be afraid to put this plant in direct morning sun. Okay, it becomes covered in tiny purple flower in fall. Bright indirect light is important. Okay, and water when it gets dry, do not overwater. So here's the most popular plant here. It's called begonia. So begonias, look at this. So its begonia has unique characteristics and therefore different purposes in the landscape or home. You can, like, it's very eye catching and easy to grow plant. You can see, very easy to grow plant. It is cocktail whiskey begonia, rich bronzy green leaves. It grows 7 inches tall and wide. Look at the color, look at the color, how attractive it looks, right? So these are so perfect for balcony. Like, go and purchase it and just hang it in your balcony. Like, the balcony is small or big, doesn't matter, but the flowers, the plants can creates a balcony so amazing, so amazing, right? The most gorgeous plant in my balcony, this called enjoy pothos. Enjoy pothos. Just look at this, how beautiful its long leaves are. So they are good at climbing too and hanging from surface. Pothos can be so adaptive to their surrounding that they can even climb or smooth spaces surfaces. Sorry, you can keep a moss pole or wood plant for support, so that it can climb so easily, right? So it can stick to any vertical and climb its way to the top. Seriously, this can thrive in different lighting conditions, okay, including low light. However, moderate indoor light is the most recommended, and okay, so you can just use it like that. Cutting back the stems helps manage the length of the vines, okay, especially when growing the plants in a container. Pothos tolerate heavy pruning of your and can trim it any time of the year to maintain its shape and sizes, like. So this is how it looks when you hang this plant. Look. So that's all for today's video, and if you want the part 2 of my balcony gardening, please do let me know in my comment section. Bye bye.